Right, good morning everyone. Welcome to McBoss Capital live stream. It's 8:50 a.m. June 26th, Thursday, Mountain Time, and almost 11 a.m. Eastern Time. We are 1.5 hours almost into the market. Nasdaq is showing good progress right now, 0.5% up. Dow Jones up 0.6%, S&P is up 0.6%, so pretty even, pretty broad strength in the market. Volume is lower though on both Nasdaq and NYSE. In terms of news, there's I think the previous quarter GDP came out, revised. I think a little bit lower than expected. I think it was 0.2 versus 0.5% or something like that. And then jobless claims also actually better than expected. So market overall looks still pretty good. And then probably the big news today is let me go to the chart here. And we kind of saw this yesterday on QQQ, but Nasdaq is getting close to new high here, 2110, 2118, 2004. So yeah, very close, but I think S&P has made new high. Let me just double check here. 6147. Okay, no, maybe not. So very close to it. 6129 was a 6147. So yeah, very close to it. So both of them are very close to making new highs. You can tell the chart from the chart it really wants to go to new high, right? It's of course look quite extended right now from the 10-day. You can see. I don't remember the last time we were extended was probably like during the beginning of the run. Like right here was quite extended, and then right here was quite extended. So it could definitely get more extended. Like I mean, it could cross this, and then before we see another pullback, right? So that's something to watch out for. Nasdaq, I think yeah, it's not too bad right now. Extended, like I mean, we got really extended right here. Um, so yeah, we'll see what happens. It might break out, and then we'll see what happens. And then yeah, right now, go on stocks on the move. We are seeing um good number of stocks moving up today. At the lowest, we're 67% still, and that's pretty good for 1.5 hours into the market. So that's exactly what you want to see. And so SITM went down yesterday on offering. Today it's trying to bounce back, but still looks pretty weak. There's some of these stocks that's not really on my list. TSSI is on really strong move. Like the only reason it's not on my list because I can't find the future fundamentals. So, but that stock is on this list almost every day. Like it's just crazy. Dell doing well, RCL doing well. Let me see what else. Coherence doing well. Citigroup, yeah, Citigroup is doing really well. We'll look at that in a minute. NVDA, broke to new high. Really strong on the, especially on the mega caps. KD doing well. HWM. HIMS also fell on Monday or Tuesday, I can't remember. It's trying to bounce back, but again, still look pretty weak. Palantir, yeah, Palantir is trying to move. Yeah, so those are the stocks on the move. Let's go to my list here that I already tracked this morning. So we'll start from the tech here. Let's look at AEIS because that one was pretty strong yesterday. It wasn't on today's list, but again, so yeah, it's still moving up. It didn't make new high though. It looks okay. Okay, let's keep going here. AVGO. Yeah, AVGO again. Yesterday was a lot of stocks yesterday, like pullback by the end of the day, and they kind of closed at the bottom of the range. I mean, AEIS just did that too. So yesterday was a kind of opposite of what you want, but at the same time, because they're so extended, it needs to pull back. So today that it bounced is a good sign, right? As long as it hold that low today, I think we're good. If we don't hold that low, then we're in bigger trouble. So those two showing the same behavior. So the CRDO is still going. This is definitely like in the top 10 for sure. Um, Bumble yesterday had a huge move. Looks like it's trying to follow through today again, but it pulled back a little bit so far. Yeah, so yes, I don't know what was the news, but it bounced a lot yesterday. Um, so a lot of tech stocks are working right now. Look at Dell. Dell is very powerful today. Wow. Yeah, it's moving really strong. KD, KD pulled back from the high yesterday, and then today it bounced again. So again, many stocks did this behavior. So it's a good thing. Like I said, it's finding support, right? Okay. Let's look at MGNI. Look at this. It's finding support this morning. Looks good. Yesterday it didn't even pull back. That was really strong. MU reported this morning. It has reversed though. That's the only problem. It make new high this morning, but it has reversed. So far, it has found support here. So it's not a bad thing. Like if it close like halfway range, I think I might like I sold some this morning, but if it comes back up, I might buy back in. So that's that one. Um, and look at the big one, NVDA here. Wow, look at this move. This is a nice breakout, right? Right, really strong move yesterday, followed by today. Volume is still higher. That's quite impressive considering yesterday's volume really high. So yeah, this is very strong right now, Nvidia. Um, so a lot of tech stocks moving. Palo Alto making new high this morning, pull back a little bit. Palantir, yeah, it went up and also pulled back this morning. So again, we'll see if they find support. Um, Reddit Reddit also finding support this morning, so it looks okay. Yeah, a lot of stocks are finding support or making new highs. So this one is Taiwan Semiconductor also trying to break out to new highs as well. So those are all the tags looking really sharp. Like most of them are, like I said, either moving to new highs or finding support, which is good. Um, on the retail side, we see RCL, Royal Caribbean. This one is starting to move too. So yeah, growth stocks are working. Looking good. A new name on this morning I heard from IBD Live is XT Sensient Technologies in the food preparation. Um, not very liquid though, so but it is starting to move. So yeah, so that's one there. We keep going down. We have Cohere. Cohere. Okay, Cohere is trying to break out right now. Really good, very strong. Looks really good here. HWM. This one continues this nice smooth run here. Looks good. Uh, there's some health stock here. They're not the strongest ranking, but you can watch it. PTSG, SCA, him still downtrend right now. INCY, and then commodities energy, not much movement there, at least on the stocks on the move. And then on the financial side, we have C, which is Citigroup. Look at this run, impressive run right now. Very strong. Another name that is on my list now is Circle. This one obviously has lots of hype on it with the stable coin stuff. Um, but today it fell pretty hard the last 3 days from the top 300 to 200, and then today some bounce. Again, this is not it's not one of the stock that is going to be easy to trade, but or even hold because it's very volatile. But this morning it's finding support. We'll see if it continue to find support. But from 200 to 200, that's a 50% drop. There's a high chance for a swing trade here. So we'll see if that works. Let's look at CISO and Upstart here. Those are the other two strong financial stocks. So it's holding tight. It's finding support this morning. It fell yesterday. It pulled back from the high. Same thing with CISO. So it's finding support again as well. AFRM is really strong. It's continued to run even, and yesterday it didn't go down either. This one's really strong. So yeah, well, market is acting well. We are heading towards the new highs. So let's see how the market go. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good day. And QQQ already making new highs, so it's just waiting for the major weighted index right now. Yeah. Okay, bye now.